Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can record your screen with OBS. Now, first off, let's start opening by OBS, and then you can see this is what it will look like. On OBS, when you first enter it, you will typically see something like this, right? Let me make a new scene. This is what you will first see when you log in into OBS. Now, the thing you have to do is that the way OBS works is that it works by sources, right? So when you have right now is a black screen because OBS doesn't have any sources connecting to it. So if we want to record our screen, we need to use our screen as a source. The way we can do that is by clicking on this plus icon here. And on this plus icon, you want to type in display capture here. Just click on display capture and then add in your display capture. So click on OK. And you can see right now the capture method is automatic and the display, I only have one right now, which is my primary monitor. So it'll be that. Now, once you're happy with this setting, just click on OK. Now, this is it. Like you can start recording with this with your screen, but it depends on what you want to do as well. If you want to record the audio output, so the audio coming from your computer, if you want to do that, you can just click on this plus icon again and then add in an audio output capture. If you want to record your current mic input like I'm doing right now, you can also click on this plus icon and then click on audio input capture. Once you're happy with the sources, just click on start recording and then it'll record your screen for you. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.